I've decided to do something different and empty it into a wheelbarrow today. Oh my God, look at them.
Wow, just look at that. Oh, yes, that's a potato.
I've got about 20 and most of them are good size in that one. Who else has been harvesting potatoes? What have you got? Let us know in your comments.
Yes, I got a good find here.
Yeah.
Ha
Another one.
Another one.
We got a full bucket. Really happy with our harvest. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, share the video. And we'll see you in the next one. Happy gardening.